And it's now time for the business day. Caribbean Airlines has officially resumed its daily direct flights between Fort Lauderdale, Florida and Montego Bay's Sangster International Airport. The route, which had been suspended for 5 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic, is now back in operation. According to Caribbean Airlines CEO Gavin Madeira, the decision to reinstate the service was driven by strong customer demand, particularly from the more than 300,000 Jamaicans residing in South Florida. He says the airline places significant emphasis on customer feedback, which played a key role in the decision.
This relaunch is a part of Caribbean Airlines' strategy, growth strategy, one deeply rooted in the people, culture, and communities we serve. We are not just an airline. We are a lifestyle brand, one that represents the rhythm, the energy, and the heart of the Caribbean.
With the resumption of the route, Caribbean Airlines now operates daily flights between Fort Lauderdale and both Montego Bay and Kingston, offering a total of 1,323 seats per week in both directions. The airline has been expanding its regional network, adding new routes to Martinique, San Juan, and Guadeloupe last year. Caribbean Airlines says this expansion aims to enhance connectivity across the French, Dutch, Spanish, and English-speaking Caribbean.
These additions mean greater access, greater opportunities, and a stronger regional presence for all our customers. We also saw tremendous growth in 2024. We transported over 2 million passengers, reaffirming our role as a leading airline in the region. Our customer satisfaction score increased by 17 percentage points, placing Caribbean Airlines among the top performing airlines globally.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,422 points today, while the junior market index declined by 9 points. Only 40 stocks advanced, including First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica, Elite Diagnostic, and ISP Finance Services. The 47 declining stocks were led by Epic Caribbean Property Fund SCC, Edufocal, Honeybun, Consolidated Bakeries, and Cygnus Real Estate Financial. 24 stocks traded firm. And foreign currency trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $157.61. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $109.91. The pound is going for $202.18, while the euro is selling for an average $173.47. And that's it for the Business Day. International stories are next.